In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, we need to ensure that your e-commerce platform is integrated with Klaviyo. To do this, look for the Integrations option, which is located in the bottom left-hand corner of your Klaviyo dashboard. Click on it. You'll want to make sure that your e-commerce platform, like Shopify, is properly linked. This is important because Klaviyo needs access to your product catalog to pull all the necessary information. Once you've verified that the integration is in place, you can move on to the next step. Next, let's take a look at the products you have available. Head over to the Content section on the left side of the dashboard and select Products. This is where you can review the list of items that have been successfully imported from your online store. Make sure everything looks good so you'll know you can confidently feature these products in your email campaigns. Now that we've checked our catalog, it's time to open the campaign where we want to add our products. Navigate to the Campaigns tab to find the specific campaign you're interested in editing. Once you've located it, click on the three vertical dots next to the campaign name and select Edit Campaign. This will allow you to customize it further. You're now inside the campaign editor. To access the email designer, look for the Edit button in the top right corner and click on it. This will bring you into the layout area where you can start making changes to your email. Here comes the fun part. In the left sidebar block menu, find the Product block. This block is designed specifically for showcasing products from your catalog. Once you've located it, click, drag, and drop it directly into your desired section of the email layout. You can place it wherever you feel it fits best. After you've positioned your product block, it's important to set it up correctly. Click on the product block you just added. In its settings, you will find an option to select Static. Choosing static is key because this setting ensures that the same specific items are shown to everyone who receives the email. This is especially useful when you're running standard sales or promotions and want consistency across your audience. Now, let's select the products you want to feature in your email. Click the Add Products button and a pop-up window will appear displaying your product catalog. Take your time to browse through the items. When you find the specific products you wish to include, simply check the boxes next to them. Once you've made your selections, click Add Products again to lock them into your layout. And there you have it. You've just added products to your Klaviyo campaign with a few simple steps. Remember, this can make your emails much more engaging for your subscribers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching.